Arab Kangaroo. The big wooden box bumped along the road on the back of the zoo truck, with Kangaroo inside. He peered out of a small hole on the side of the box. Saudi Arabia Zoo, his new home, was very beautiful. They passed a pond full of bright pink flamingos, and then a tall giraffe family eating green, leafy branches with their long tongues. All around, Kangaroo could hear animals chattering to each other. An elephant trumpeted in the distance, and a tiger growled in reply. Kangaroo was excited about his new home, but nervous too. What if he didn't get along with the other kangaroos? He hoped they would all be good friends. Finally, the zoo truck arrived at the kangaroo enclosure, and the big box with Kangaroo inside was placed down on the ground with a bump. Kangaroo felt shy, but he hopped out of the box and looked around. Waiting to meet him were 10 big kangaroos. "Hello," Kangaroo greeted them. The other kangaroos said something back, but he couldn't understand what they were saying. All the other kangaroos spoke Arabic. They were very kind and helped him settle in. But Kangaroo was sad. "How can I make friends if I can't talk to them?" he wondered. Kangaroo worked very hard on his Arabic. He listened very carefully to the other kangaroos and tried to copy what they said. First, he learned how to say hello and all of their names. Pretty soon, he was able to say all sorts of things in Arabic. The only sound Kangaroo had trouble with was the Ayn sound. No matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't master it. Then one day, an apple core became caught in Kangaroo's throat. He couldn't speak. When Kangaroo opened his mouth, the only sound that came out was Ayn. He went to the other kangaroos and pointed to his throat, saying the Ayn sound. The other kangaroos cheered. "That's the perfect Ayn sound," they said. But then they saw that he was choking. One kangaroo gave him a big pat on the back, and the apple core flew out. After that, though, Kangaroo had learnt to say the Ayn sound. Before long, Kangaroo and his new friends were chatting in Arabic all day long. "You learnt Arabic so fast," they told him. "We have a new nickname for you. From now on, we will call you Arab Kangaroo," they said. "Remember, it starts with Ayn sound. Arab Kangaroo." Arab Kangaroo was happy. He felt very proud of himself and of his new name too.
Alhamdulillah.
Question time. Tap the right answer based on the video.
What language did all the kangaroos speak in the Saudi Arabia Zoo? English, Chinese, Arabic.
Yes, that's the one.
Which sound did the new kangaroo have trouble with? S, A, T.
Yes, you got it right.
What was the new name given to the new kangaroo at the end? Arab kangaroo, funny kangaroo, English kangaroo.
Yes, that's the one.
What is the first sound you hear in the word Arab? R, R, A.
Yes, you got it right.
You did it.
Happy paint. Paint the character.
is for Arab, kangaroo. In the zoo, in the zoo, he learned a new language. You can too. Sing this song. A little curve above and a big curve below. Curve below, curve below. The sound is I for Arab. Now you know. Sing this song. I is for Arab, kangaroo. In the zoo, in the zoo, he learned a new language. You can too. Sing this song. A little curve above and a big curve below. Curve below, curve below. The sound is I for Arab. Now you know. Sing this song.
Fantastic.
Halifba secret. Watch the video and learn the secret of your new letter.
Let's learn how to pronounce the sound. This letter is shaped like a kangaroo. As it reminds us of the kangaroo character from the earlier story, we will call it Arab kangaroo. Arab kangaroo makes a sound. The word Arab in Arabic also starts with a sound. What a hint! This letter doesn't exist in the English language. It has a squeezed sound. To pronounce it correctly, wide open your mouth, tighten your throat and say ah. Now we know the letter Arab kangaroo makes a sound like this. Is for Arab. Now let's say it together. Well done, mashallah. Now let's have a look at Arab kangaroo carrying baby A on top. As Arab kangaroo makes a sound and baby A on top makes an sound, together we read them as a. Let's repeat it again. Now we're going to read some words with a sound.
عطب صعز صعز خضع خضع سأع سأع.
Fantastic!
MashaAllah.
Sound ball. Tap the snowball to find.
Tap on a. 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 Tap on a.
Fantastic.
Drag and
The is for dhaka the dolphin with a ball. B is for boat with a fish underneath. The is for dhalim ship. Ta is for tallest ship. A is for Arab kangaroo. Angry bird on a pole.
Alhamdulillah.
Match the codes. Dolphins are invited to the castle. They have the right codes. Sharks are trying to sneak in with wrong codes. Press the open button.
You did it.
Letter song.
I is for Arab kangaroo in the zoo, in the zoo. He learned a new language, you can too. Sing this song. A little curve above and a big curve below, curve below, curve below. The sound is I for Arab, now you know. Sing this song. I is for Arab kangaroo in the zoo, in the zoo. He learned a new language, you can too. Sing this song. A little curve above and a big curve below, curve below, curve below. The sound is I for Arab, now you know. Sing this song.
MashaAllah. Word hunt. Tap on the right.
Tap on
عبأ.
Yes.
Tap on
صرع.
Yes.
Tap on
تعطى.
Tap on
تعطى.
Tap on
تعطى.
Yes.
Tap on
عبس.
Tap on
عبس.
Yes.
Tap on
رجع.
Tap on
رجع.
Yes.
Tap on
صعد.
Tap on.
صعد
Tap on.
صعد
Tap on.
صعد
Yes.
Tap on.
عثر
No, it's not.
Tap on.
زعظ
Tap on.
زعظ
Yes. الحمد لله.
Reading practice. Read the words using the sounds you have learned in this country. To check your reading,
عبأ تعط حسع عصش زعظ خعد فجع ذعط بطس شعأ عضخ ذعد شضذ سشص زعص رعز صرع ضطع
Fantastic.
tap the country number.